Okay, so I have this Yongnuo ring flash. See it here. Problem is, I love this flash. I use it on my Canon camera. It's the YN-14EX. The problem a few years ago, the door holding the battery pack in broke off some of the clips. I've been holding it together with rubber bands, and it's worked fine like that, but it's just kind of a nuisance. So I decided to order another one. Well, I went online and looked at them, and I saw that B&H sold this door, and I thought, well, gosh, I could just replace that door because my flash was fine. So anyway, I got this new flash in the mail. I mean, the new door in the mail. And I noticed the difference is that these little clips right here on the side, on the old one, and I'll show you, I've taken this off. The old clips, you can see right here, they've come off, they're broken. And if you look at the new one, these little plastic clips, you can see the difference there. The ones that are still there and the ones that are gone. That turn around this way so you can see the same way, same direction. So anyway, that's what happens. These little plastic clips that hold the battery holder down broke off. So anyway, I'm trying to replace it, and I just put this on there to show you how this works. Because I wasn't sure how to get it off. Well, what's happening is underneath this battery holder, there are two little clips here. And so you have to get under there. I got under there with a small screwdriver blade. And I just lifted up on the plastic and pushed it forward, and it just slid right off. So then I'm going to put this new one on there. And it just lined it up on the side there. And slide it back on. So hopefully now, close it up, slide it forward, and it stays. So anyway, it must be a pretty common thing because B&H is selling these doors now for these Yongnuo flashes. So you need one. It's easy to change, like I just showed you. You just pop it up, and the two brackets on the back, you pry the plastic piece off and put the new one back on. So I recommend doing that. It was like, this plastic piece by itself, I think, was like $4 or $5, and plus postage on it, which was, I don't know, about the same. I don't know, it came to about $12, $14, I don't know, but well worth saving the flash, which I really enjoy using for macro photography. Anyway, that's all. Hope this helps somebody.